Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel KSR English. Now the topic is active voice and passive voice. Okay, actually what is voice? Here it refers to the form of verb that indicates when subject performs the action or receiver of the action. Okay, here two kinds forms. One is subject performs the action and subject is the receiver of the action. Okay, it has two kinds. One is performs, one is receiver. Okay, see here types of voice of verb, two kinds. One is active voice and second one is passive voice. Here subject plays the key role. Okay, the subject here performs and receiver. Okay, here the types of verb, voice of verb. Here in active voice and passive voice. The two kinds, active voice and passive voice. Here what is active voice and what is passive voice? Active voice. What is active voice? Okay, when the subject of the sentence performs the verb's action, we can say that the sentence in active voice. See, when the subject of the sentence performs the verb's action, we can say that the sentence in active voice. Simply you can say when action performed by subject. When action performed by the subject is expressed by the verb. Okay, that is called active voice. For example, sentence structure subject verb object. Verb means V1. Okay, subject verb object. This is the V1 V2. Subject verb object. This is the structure of the sentence. Okay, and here example, I make a kite. I make a kite. See, I subject, make verb, a kite object. A kite object. Here subject performed. Here subject performs the action. Okay, subject performs the action. What he does? The subject does what he does. He make kite. I make kite. I is subject here. I make a kite. Okay, so here an action make is performed by the subject. So it is in active voice. And another example, the hunter, it is a subject. Killed, verb, the lion. The lion. Here this action is performed by the subject. Okay, here when action performed by the subject is expressed of the verb. Okay, it is in active voice. The sentence is in active voice. Okay, now what is passive voice? What is passive voice? Let us see. Here passive voice. Okay, a sentence is in passive voice. On the other hand, the subject is acted by the verb. This is important. A subject is acted by the verb. Okay, in active voice, the subject performs the action. Here, the subject is performed by the verb. Okay, that in active voice, the action is performed by the subject. Here, the subject is performed by the action. Okay, here the subject is performed by the action. That is in passive voice. Okay, now structure of the passive voice. Here object, first one object and helping verb. Okay, and V3 verb in three form, third form. That means present tense, present tense, past tense, past participle. Okay, verb in third form. By, it is a preposition. Generally, you use by preposition in the passive voice. Okay, and then subject. Okay, this is the structure of the passive voice. Now, in active voice, I make a kite. See, here this is subject, verb, object. Here this object will become subject of the sentence in passive voice. Okay, here object, the first structure, what is that? Object. Okay, and helping verb. See, make, it is V1, simple present tense. So this helping verb is because kite, it is in singular and third person. Okay, so it is. And make, this is verb. So structure V3. So make, made and made. Okay, see, V3, V1, V2, V3. So made, here made, a kite is made, and then you must use preposition by. Okay, and by, a kite is made by, and here subject of this sentence, subject of the active voice will become object of the passive voice. Here I will become me. Okay, I subject, in object it will become me. Okay, me. A kite is made by me. This is active voice to passive voice. And one more example. In active voice, the hunter killed the lion. The hunter killed the lion. Here the lion, here see, in active voice, subject, hunter, killed, verb, in V2, killed, V2, verb, second form, past tense. The lion, this is object. See, when the active voice into passive voice, the sentence from active voice to passive voice, the lion, see, object of the sentence, here in passive voice, subject of the sentence. Object. Okay. Lion. Here, killed. It is in verb second form. That means made. Kill, killed. Okay. So here we have second form. The lion. Here the lion. So this helping verb was, because here the lion is a singular and third person. So in past tense was, killed, V3, killed, killed, V3, and by preposition, the hunter. Here subject will become object. So here the object. So the lion was killed by the hunter. Now we have some rules changing from active voice to passive voice. Now let us discuss what are the rules.